Hey guys, it's Dr. Groff here from San Diego, and we're fortunate enough today to have a patient who's going to let us film his PPP treatment. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to use this CO2 laser here. We actually have two of them in case one of them is not functioning, but they're both working today, which is great news. But I want to explain to you during the treatment how that laser beam vaporizes each papule. And at this point, I don't think I've shot a video in about 4 years, so I'm up to about 2,000 patients that I've treated so far. And I don't have any complications with any case, so we're going to show you the treatment here in a few minutes. So you can see we just treated 4 of them, and you can see how this is a tiny little wound, but the bump itself is gone. So I'm going to continue on here. Over the last 15 years, I've done over 2,000 of these, and I'm doing more every day, so we know it's safe and it works. Most men that are treated with the CO2 laser are able to resume their daily activities and go back to work right away. The beauty of the CO2 laser when used properly is that it is safe, effective, it requires only one treatment, and patients heal within 7 to 10 days. I always get asked by my patients, what are these bumps on my penis and how did I get them? Well, pearly penile papules are benign growths that are not sexually transmitted, or they're not STDs. The causes for this skin condition are unknown. However, we do know that this skin condition is more common in uncircumcised men and typically appears in the teens to early 20s. The condition is completely harmless and has no health risks, but some men with pearly penile papules experience a great deal of anxiety and psychological stress concerning this appearance of the PPP on their penis, and therefore they decide to have them removed. So I just asked the patient if he could feel anything. He said no, so it's a completely painless procedure. And we just numbed him using a numbing cream. There's no shots, no injections needed. This numbing cream, he sat for about an hour or so with the numbing cream on. It completely makes it painless. It's pretty cool. He's got a pretty good case of these. There's quite a number of papules. Pretty close together. The CO2 laser is the gold standard treatment and best method to permanently remove pearly penile papules. By using the latest generation Lumenis UltraPulse Encore CO2 laser, I'm able to precisely vaporize each papule without the fear of damaging any healthy surrounding penile tissue. So we're almost halfway. You can kind of see, you can see how, treated half, not treated half. I mean, look at the difference. A million of those papules there, and nothing. It's going to be nice and smooth. That's all going to heal beautifully with no marks or anything. Since now for, I'd say, about 15 years or so. Like I was saying earlier, it's about 2,000 guys that I've treated for this, and, no complications, no infections, no scars, no loss of sensation. Everyone universally does well. And you just have to keep ointment on your skin, on the penis afterwards. And it usually takes about 7 to 10 days to heal. And the other thing I tell guys that I treat, that they're more than welcome to come back anytime in the future if they ever need a touch-up. I want my patients ultimately to be happy. Now, of course, like I was telling our patient here earlier, my goal is obviously to get rid of them all today. I do my best to get rid of them all, but I want to be safe. So, if any of them don't go away completely, come back anytime. I was telling him though that you should wait 3 months, because sometimes guys will think they're still there and then a couple months later they're gone. The other thing is you want to give your penile skin a break and not laser it, too soon after a treatment. So that's my theory behind that. But I've had guys come from pretty much every state in the country. I've had guys from Canada, from Europe, St. Thomas and the British Virgin Islands, Mexico, all over. And we can treat any skin type. It can be fair skin, dark skin, doesn't matter. They all do universally well with the treatment. Guys always ask me if there's a topical treatment that can get rid of pearly penile papules. In my experience, there are no home remedies that can get rid of PPP. Some home remedies may be harmless, but many have potential harm. Home remedies that are sold on the internet can be extremely dangerous and can lead to genital disfigurement and impaired sexual function. By using home remedies, men risk making their condition worse by developing scars, inflammation, loss of sensation, infection, bruising, numbness, and other serious side effects. Home remedies can cause permanent damage, particularly to the sexual function. I believe that CO2 laser is the most effective treatment to clear the condition safely, quickly, and painlessly. I know you can't see this at home, but the patient's actually watching as I zap each spot, so he's watching them go away as I do them. Some guys don't want to watch, which is understandable, but other patients like to watch them go away. You can find more information about Pearly Penile Papule treatment on my PPP treatment website. This website is www.ppptreatment.com. Patients are universally happy with their treatment with the CO2 laser for their pearly penile papules. In fact, I get emails, letters, cards all the time telling me how satisfied they are. One of the big reasons for this is that I'm able to eliminate all the papules in one treatment, and the treatment truly is painless, and it's very easy for the patients to go through the recovery. So to all the guys out there that have seen this video, just remember, you don't have to live with this condition. If you live outside San Diego, we can coordinate your treatment with your travel schedule. So you can see we've probably got about 80% of our work done. Again, starting from the beginning. And I always look over the area multiple times to make sure I got everything, but you can see this small section where I didn't zap yet. You can see the difference, obviously. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think it really shows how that CO2 laser is able to vaporize each papule and clear them for good. Now, over the last 15 years, I've done over 2,000 of these, and I'm doing more every day. So we know it's safe and it works. And you can check the reviews online. So many guys have written about their experiences here. Just call the office. It's Cosmetic Laser Dermatology, and we'll get these taken care of, and you won't have to worry about them ever again. Thanks for watching.